Hello, how are you? First question. Second question, have you seen my previous videos? Third question, did you understand that videos? My fourth question, do you really want to learn C programming language? If the answer is yes, we will continue. If the answer is no, please close the video. Okay, don't get angry on me. In this video, in particular, we are going to see most important topic in C programming. I think you have already guessed, right? Data types. Okay? Data types. Data types. Now, by seeing this word, there are two words. One is data, another one is type. What do you mean by data? What do you mean by type? Actually, data means any useful information. Okay? And that information is in which type? Okay? That is called data type. Normally, every language have data types. Especially in C, there were three important data types. Okay, first one is integer. Okay, second one is character. Third one is float. There is another data type is also there, double. Okay, that we will see. Now integer. What is the integer? Any numerical value. 10, 20, 1, 2, your birthday, my birthday. Okay, all those are integers. Like example 10, 7, 1, 5, so on. Integers is nothing but general numbers, you can say. Okay. Now character. Character means if you have computer, okay, or laptop, you just see the keyboard. Whatever the single keys are there, I think every key in the keyboard is single key, right? Each and every key is nothing but a character. That is A to Z, A to Z, 0 to 9, all special symbols. Dot, this thing, everything is a character. Okay, these all are characters. Now float. Float is nothing but floating point number or the decimals number. Like you can say 7.5, 6.142. Okay, anything which we add decimal digit. Okay, that is called floating number. Okay, 7.5, 6.2 and 3.14. Okay, or is called float. Now double. Double is also contains floating values. Okay, but what is the main difference is float is the brother of double. Float is the chota bhai, like small brother of double. Okay, younger brother. How the range of float is very small compared to double. Range of float is very small compared to double, and moreover precision of float is up to 6 digits, 6 decimals, and precision of double is up to 14 decimals. Suppose if I perform 10 by 2, that equal to 5.000000. This is 6 digits. Means if I take float, it will be 5.6 zeros. If I take double, it will be 5 point, like all 14 zeros will be there. That is the main difference. Now you should be able to understand that double is taking some extra space. Okay, double is taking some extra space. Okay, now up to now you understood 4 data types, right? Integer, character, float, double. Integer means number, character means single character, float means with decimal part, double means also decimal part with higher precision. Now we use shortcut key for int as int for integer. Character we define as char. Float we use float only. And now the size of int is actually the size of the data type will depends on the operating system which you are using, maybe 32-bit or 64-bit. Okay, that depends on the hardware. Actually, according to 32-bit operating system, the size of int will be 2 bytes. Okay, the size of char will be 1 byte, and size of float will be 4 bytes. double also size will be 4 bytes only. So this is the keyword, right? Now you are able to recollect keyword, that 32 keyword. Integer, int, char, float, double. Now out of 32 we covered 4. Int, char, float and double. These are 4 keywords. Okay, and its sizes also mentioned here. Okay, this all about this data types, of which data types we are using. There should be a clear separation of which data types we are using. I hope you understand this. Now there is another thing called a string constant. Okay, I will explain here only. String constant. In printf we write this thing, right? Printf %d a. Suppose if a equal to 10, when we execute this statement, what will be printed? 10 will be printed. How it is able to print? Here we are specifying %d as a string constant of integer variable. Okay, so for integer it is %d, for character it is %c, for float it is %f, for double it is %f. Okay, these are the string constants. This will be used whenever we are taking the inputs and printing the outputs. This thing we will use. Remaining things we will see next.